Now moving forward, exercise 5.1, question number 4. First we will read the question. Which of the following are arithmetic progressions? If they form an arithmetic progression, find the common difference d and write 3 more terms. Okay, अगर ये सीरीज अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में है तो आपको 3 और नंबर उसमें ऐड करना है वो सीरीज में. ओके, फॉलोइंग द सेम पैटर्न. फर्स्ट विल चेक दैट द सीरीज इज इन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन और नॉट. ओके, लाइक आपका फर्स्ट सीक्वेंस है 2 4 8 16. ओके, ये कंटिन्यूइंग सीक्वेंस है, सेम पैटर्न फॉलो कर रहा है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट व्हाट वी विल राइट, गिवन सीक्वेंस, given sequence is what, 2 4 8 16 dash 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 dash. ओके, अभी हम लोग कैसे चेक करते हैं कि ये गिवन सीरीज अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में है या नहीं है. अगर कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम आ रहा है तो देन द सीरीज इज इन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ओके, तो अभी देखो 4 माइनस 2 कितना होगा 2, 8 माइनस 4 कितना होगा 4, और 16 माइनस 8 क्या होगा 8. ओके, यानी हमको जो कॉमन डिफरेंस मिल रहा है इट इज कमिंग डिफरेंट इन एवरी केस. ओके, नाउ हियर a is what, a is your first term and your first term is what 2. ओके, d क्या है आपका कॉमन डिफरेंस है, but common difference is not same. Okay, so common difference is not same. Okay, therefore what we can say, therefore the given sequence is not in अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ओके, अगर कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम आता था हर केस में तो फिर हम लोग क्या बोल सकते थे, ये जो सीरीज है ये अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में है, बट यर कॉमन डिफरेंस इज नॉट कमिंग सेम, सो दिस गिवन सीक्वेंस इज नॉट इन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. लाइक अभी आप सेकेंड वाला चेक करोगे, सेकेंड के लिए भी सेम प्रोसेस है. गिवन सीक्वेंस is what, 2 5 by 2 3 और 7 by 2, और ये सीक्वेंस कंटिन्यूड है. ओके, तो फिर से हम लोग कॉमन डिफरेंस चेक करेंगे. 5 by 2 माइनस 2 करना है आपको, आप साइड में रफ वर्क कर सकते हो. 5 by 2 माइनस 2. ओके, सो व्हाट इट विल कम, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद क्या आएगा, ये 5 1 जा 5 minus 2 2 is 4, so 5 minus 4 is what, 1, and 1 by 2, so the common difference is what, 1 by 2. Now we will check this difference. 3 minus 5 by 2, 3 minus 5 by 2. Okay, again do the cross multiplication. 3 2 is 6 minus 5 1 is 5, so 6 minus 5 is what, again 1 by 2. Okay, so the common difference is same. Now here also if you check it, it will come same, it will come 1 by 2 only, so the common difference is same. So what we can write, a is what, your first term of series is what, 2. Next is common difference is denoted by d, so common difference is what, 1 by 2 in this case. Okay, therefore what we can say, therefore the given sequence is in arithmetic progression. Okay, it is in arithmetic progression because the common difference is coming same in every case. Okay, now likewise check the third one. Okay, what is said in the third one, minus 1.2 minus 3.2 minus 5.2 minus 7.2. Okay, by looking at the series only you can identify that this series is in arithmetic progression because the common difference is going to come same. Okay, so we will check it. Given sequence is what? Minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2 and minus 7.2. okay, तो माइनस 3.2 माइनस 1.2 करके देखो आप, माइनस 3.2 माइनस ऑफ माइनस 1.2. okay, what it comes, minus minus this will become plus, so minus 3.2 plus 1.2 is what? Minus 2 it is going to come. So here the common difference is minus 2. Again you check this, minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2, so minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2, so what it will come, this will become minus minus plus, so 5.2 plus minus 5.2 plus 3.2 is what? Again minus 2. So the common difference is coming same. So here also it will come minus 2 only. When you will do minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2, it will come minus 2 only. So what we can say, therefore a is equal to minus 1.2. A is what? Your first term, and first term is denoted by a. okay, next is what? Common difference, it is denoted by small d, and the value of common difference is coming minus 2 in each case. Therefore what we can say, therefore the given sequence is in arithmetic progression. Therefore the given sequence is in arithmetic progression. Likewise check the fourth one now. What is given to us? First we will write given sequence is equal to minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and plus 2. This sequence is continued. okay, so now we will check the common difference. We will do minus 6 minus of minus 10. okay, minus 6 minus of minus 10, so what it will come, minus 6 plus 10 is what? 4. So the common difference is 4. You check it here also, it will come 4 only. okay, same process. What you will do, minus 2 minus of minus 6, it will again come 4 only. okay, so here also it will come 4 only. So the common difference is coming same in every case. Therefore what we can write, what is the value of a? That is first term is minus 10, and value of d is what? Common difference, it is what? 4 in every case. Therefore what we can say, therefore the given sequence is in arithmetic progression. okay, therefore the given sequence is in arithmetic progression. Now what, one more thing is mentioned in the question, that you have to write 3 more terms wherever it is coming arithmetic progression. Like here it is coming arithmetic progression, so we will write 3 more terms. So first term is 2, 5 by 2 is your second term, then 3, then 7 by 2. okay, so now what will come in the next term? okay, you have to write 3 more terms, so I will make 3 more boxes. Now your common difference is what? 1 by 2. So you will have to add 1 by 2 in 7 by 2. So it will come 8 by 2, that is 4. Next term will come what? You will have to add 1 by 2 in this 4. Next term के लिए आपको कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड करना पड़ता है प्रीवियस टर्म में. सो 4 प्लस 1 by 2 आपको करना पड़ेगा. सो दिस विल कम 4 प्लस 1 by 2, व्हाट इट कम्स 9 by 2. नेक्स्ट टर्म विल कम व्हाट? 9 by 2 में आप 1 by 2 ऐड करोगे तो वो 10 by 2 आएगा, यानी 5 आएगा. सो इस तरीके से आपको 3 मोर टर्म्स लिखना है जहाँ पे भी आपको अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन मिल रहा है वहाँ पे. ओके, सिमिलरली वी विल राइट 3 मोर टर्म्स हियर ऑल्सो. -1.2 फर्स्ट टर्म है, -3.2 सेकेंड टर्म है, -5.2 थर्ड टर्म है, -7.2 फोर्थ टर्म है। अभी आपको 3 मोर टर्म्स लिखना है। So what it will come? -9.2 -11.2 and here it will come -13.2। ओके, आपको बस क्या करना है, कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड करना है प्रीवियस टर्म में टू गेट द नेक्स्ट टर्म। ओके, सिमिलरली here also we are getting arithmetic progression, so what we will do, we will find next 3 more terms। so first term is -10, फिर -6, फिर -2, फिर 2। ओके, अब ये 2 में मैं जब मैं कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड करूँगा तो मुझे नेक्स्ट टर्म मिलेगा। तो 2 में मैं अगर कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड करता हूँ 4, तो आई विल गेट नेक्स्ट टर्म एज 6। अगेन आई विल ऐड द कॉमन डिफरेंस इन दिस टर्म, so what I will get 10। again I will add the common difference in this term, so what I will get 14। so next 3 terms of this sequence are 6, 10 and 14। so likewise you have to find the common difference. If it is coming same, then the series is in arithmetic progression, and then add that common difference to the previous term to get the next term। okay, likewise आपको 3 terms ऐसे निकालना है as it is mentioned in the question।